Back to talking about our weather here. You know, you mentioned those thunderstorms.
Yeah.
They actually did wake me up in the middle of the night. They were loud.
They definitely were, and they were widespread across much of the Pacific Northwest. So a few of us were lucky enough to actually be able to capture some of those lightning strikes, even a time-lapse view there from Adam in the top left corner with a brief pocket of a rainbow showing up as the sun started to rise above the horizon. But overall, we saw a lot of those lightning strikes happen quite quickly and then quickly started to fade away, leaving behind cloudier and cooler temperatures. 66 degrees is where we currently reside with a beautiful live look out over downtown Portland on this Thursday evening. Temperatures up and down the I-5 corridor, sitting well below the average of the low 80s right now. The warm spot, that's going to be out towards Corvallis at about 70 with low to mid 60s found out along the coastlines. Those clouds are slowly peeling their way out of our region from the south to the north, all part of our latest low pressure system tracking its way further to the north and west. Still a few lightning strikes just to the west of the Seattle area, but overall our radar is quiet now here across the Beaver State. Not expected to see any new additional thunderstorms, although a marginal risk out towards the east is keeping that severe thunderstorm threat elevated over parts of Idaho. And we peel it back even more, working our way into Friday as everything is expected to be relatively calm for us here across western Oregon. But it's the central sections of our state still dealing with the new fire burning just outside the Antelope area. That's where level 3 go now evacuation order is in place. You can read more about that right now at KOIN.com as those wind speeds are out of the north-northwest anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour, expected to calm through the overnight hours to hopefully give fire crews the upper hand, as our fire weather danger dials are expected to improve during the overnight time frame, expected to ramp things back up yet again tomorrow afternoon and evening due to the downsloping winds, as that onshore flow is helping to keep wildfire smoke clear of the I-5 corridor, with our largest fire, or one of the larger fires, burning in the southwest corner of our state, polluting our skies, leaving us with moderate to unhealthy air for the south central sections of the state. As our culprit for the storms tracks its way off to the north, a ridge of high pressure begins to build. That's going to be our drying and warming mechanism over the next several days, so the sunshine quickly returning as early as tomorrow morning with just a few fair weather clouds to start off the day, and then that sunshine by the afternoon, and that's really going to be carrying us through the next several days. All as our temperatures tonight fall back into the mid-50s, highs tomorrow, low 80s for us as Portland Pride quickly approaches. For the parade, expected to be really quite nice out there with sunny skies, and that's going to really help to kick off our warming trend, putting us back into the low to mid 90s with no rain in sight over the next week, with the hottest temperatures over the next 7 days expected to fall Monday through Thursday.
Yeah, nice weekend for Pride, though.
Absolutely so. Not too hot, and those temperatures, they've come down ever so slightly.
All right, thanks, Josh.
Yeah.